Also, former Lowcountry lawmaker Robert Ford in court today facing ethics allegations similar to the ones that Harrell was charged with earlier this year.
Well, Ford's case now playing out more than a year after he resigned from office under fire from ethics officials. Tara Pettit joins us in the newsroom with the latest case of a political figure on the wrong side of the law.
Robert Ford is free tonight on $50,000 bail. His lawyer admits that Ford has done wrong, but says his defendant is not a criminal.
Mr. Ford, do you understand that if you do not appear for court, a warrant will be issued for your arrest?
Yes, sir.
And do you understand that if you do not appear for your trial will go forward without you being present?
Yes, sir.
Former Senator Robert Ford in court Wednesday facing multiple charges, including misconduct in office, forgery, and ethics violations. Attorney General Alan Wilson says the Charleston Democrat improperly benefited from his office by using campaign money for personal use, then filing false campaign reports and submitting forgeries to the Senate Ethics Committee.
He made himself a target by, over the years, not tending to his books. There's no question about that.
Ford's attorney, Bill Runyon, says that some of the expenditures in question are perfectly valid, while others, like sex toys, are not.
What about the male enhancement pills and all that stuff?
Well, I don't think I would advise any candidate to purchase those things even as a gag gift for supporters.
Runyon says he and his defendant filed motions Wednesday to dismiss 6 of the 8 counts because they questioned the jurisdiction of the Richland County grand jury to hand down indictments in this case.
There's a difference between there being a violation of the State Ethics Act, a civil violation of the State Ethics Act, and being a criminal violation.
Ford is the latest South Carolina political figure to face ethics charges. Former House Speaker Bobby Harrell pleaded guilty in October to 6 campaign spending violations and resigned. Ethics reform was a hot topic leading up to November's gubernatorial election, and Ford's lawyer thinks lawmakers will aggressively pursue reform when the legislative session starts next month.
So they needed some poster children, and they got Senator Ford and Speaker Harrell.
Ford resigned roughly a year and a half ago during hearings on similar allegations that he misreported expenses and then tried to cover it up. No word yet on when his next court date will be scheduled. Live in the newsroom, Tara Pettit, Watch Fox News.